Today is the most auspicious occasion of appearance of Lord Ramachandra, especially in the current world situation where the countries are against one another, throwing bombs, and there are wars in multiple places going on. Although it is not declared the Third World War, already worldwide wars are going on. When Lord Ramachandra, who is none other than Krishna himself, Krishna expands into various forms. Ramadi Murtishu Kala Niyamena Trishthan Nanavatara Makarod Bhuvaneshu Gintu. Krishna Sama. So the Brahma Samhita, Brahmaji says that Lord Krishna expands into various forms. Like one lamp, can light up many other lamps. Similarly, all the lamps are appearing equally luminous. Similarly, Krishna is the original and he expands into various forms. And one of the prominent forms is Lord Ramachandra. So, Lord Ramachandra ruled the world thousands and thousands of years in a spotless manner. So much so, Prabhupada says, even today people talk about Ramarajya. And all the Raja Rishis in this world, the royal kings, saintly kings, they took the blueprint of Lord Rama's style of organizing governance, and they have also successfully ruled the countries based on that. Even today, so many learned leaders, they refer to Lord Rama's principles and blueprints, in which the mass of people in this world can be organized with a spiritual goal in mind. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. So, whatever Krishna does, he does best. When it comes to giving knowledge, he's the best knowledge giver in the form of Bhagavad Gita. When it comes to playing on his flute, he's the best flute player. Similarly, when he has to teach the world how to be ideal son, how to be ideal husband, how to be ideal brother, how to be ideal king, how to be ideal in all respects. So the Maryada Purushottam, he comes as Lord Ramachandra. And Ramayana is such a scripture, it is translated into so many hundreds of languages, even in China and Japan. Even today they put dramas from Ramayana and they have literature which is distributed widely, even in many countries abroad. Because this is for all humanity, all across the globe. And that Lord Ram, when he appears, it becomes evident how his holy name itself is so powerful. Even he need not come personally, his name itself is powerful. You can see that writing the name of Ram and in the stones, the monkeys could make it float for the Setu Bandha to be made. Therefore, there's a beautiful line His Holiness Navagendra Maharaj used to sing. O dil wale dub jayenge jin pe nahi hai naam, O patthar bhi tar jayenge jin pe likha Shri Ram, Hari se bada Hari ka naam. You understood the meaning? Even in a stone on which Lord Rama's name is written, that is floating in the ocean. But those people who never take the holy name seriously, they drown in the ocean of samsara, it says. So, and Hanuman chanting the name of Ram, Jai Shri Ram, and he jumped over the ocean very easily, effortlessly. So it is said in the Ramayana that like a Ramaban is released from the bow of Rama, like that Hanuman jumped chanting the name of Ram. Which means, if you chant the names of the Lord, you become a perfect instrument in the Lord's hands. And all the Vanaras, they were just carrying boulders and trees for fighting. They did not have any other weapons. Whereas Ravana had many metallic, dangerous weapons. They had chariots. They had all types of dangerous weapons. And they also had mystic powers to shower various kinds of clubs and lances and swords and whatnot from the sky. Even with all those technology and powers, Ravana could not win over the monkeys. And the monkeys are fighting only with trees and boulders, you can imagine. Because they were chanting name of Rama. So if one has the holy name, even with less, equipments and facilities and amenities, one is able to win, because by calling out the name of the Lord, one is on the side of the Lord. And even somebody born in an Asuric family like Vibhishan, he chanted the Lord's names. Not only his life was saved, he was coronated as the king of Lanka after Ravana. So anyone who chants the holy name, his whole life becomes auspicious. Hanuman, who is the greatest hero, even after searching and searching and searching, not finding Sita anywhere, at one point of time, even he became depressed. Sometimes students wonder, why am I depressed? Even Hanuman became depressed at one time. But at that time of depression, he chanted the name of the Lord. And by chanting the name, Ramachandra Raghuvira, Ramachandra Ranadhira, Ramachandra Mama Bandhu, Ramachandra Jayasindhu, Ramachandra Raghurama, Ramachandra Parandama. So immediately Hanuman came out of depression. He got a creative idea, a new idea. Why should Sita Mata be only inside the palaces? She can be as well outside. New idea came. See, that means out-of-box ideas come only when you take the Lord's names. And immediately Hanuman started searching outside, and sure enough, he found Sita sitting under a tree, in front of a large lake. So, in this way, taking the name of the Ram, so many souls benefited, and we are chanting the Mahamantra, which has Krishna, Ram and Hara, all the three spiritual seeds, mantras. So anyone who faithfully utters the holy name of the Lord is always sheltered in the Lord, protected by the Lord, guided by the Lord, purified by the Lord, uplifted by the Lord. So one should take to the chanting of the holy names very seriously. And on this particular day, Lord Rama is even more actively present in our midst, because it is his happy appearance day. We can beg for his blessings. Let me not be casual in my chanting of the holy name. Let me not be careless. Please bestow great Shraddha in the holy name, so that with that transcendental faith, I can benefit completely from the holy name and purify myself and come to the standard of Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotion service. Shri Shri Sitaram Lakshmana Hanuman ki, Shri Shri Radha Vrindavan Chandra ki, Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord, who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.